everyone, welcome to Artist Priyanka ji. In today's video, we're going to learn how to make a beautiful rocket drawing with using simple shapes. And here, as you can see, I have taken A4 sheet and I have already made borders. Now we are taking a small portion of the sheet and writing the heading shapes, and we will draw the shapes we're going to use for our drawing. The first one will be circle. I'm here using a cap of bottle for making circle. You can use a coin also. Here I'm using a small scale for making a square. I'm using 3 centimeter from all the four sides for making a square, as a square is always equal from all the four sides. So after making the square, let's do our third shape, which will be rectangle. Rectangle is equal from two sides, so two opposite sides, whether it's above or left or right. As you can see here, 2 centimeter you can make from the bottom, and above and side can be 4 centimeter. Here we are using one more shape than class 1. I'm using here a moon shape, and the next one will be same, cloud. As we have already learned that these shapes like circle, square, rectangle, triangle are the symmetrical shapes or the mirror shape. I forgot to make the triangle. Let's just make it right now. And here I have written the name of the shapes. But we all know that moon and cloud will be not symmetrical, not mirror. They are organic shapes. They don't have anything equal or mirror when we make line in between. Now we are making a triangle. I forgot to make it, and now just make it nicely, and rest write the name of this also. So in this drawing we are using 6 shapes, as it is drawing for class 2nd, and here I am using a freehand diagonal line and as the center of the rocket. As we are drawing a rocket drawing, we will draw two parallel diagonal lines along with the center, and same size will be from left and right hand sides. And let's make this shape our third, which is a rectangle. After making this, we will take a center, as we have already taken with the rough line, and we will make our sixth shape, which is a triangle. Here I am using again a bottle cap for making circle, which is our first shape. And now I am taking a square shape here. You can use your scale. 2 centimeter you can use, 2 or 1.5 centimeter, and let's make this square, which is our second shape. So here we have done 1, 2, 3 and 4 shapes already. And now let's make the bottom parts, the fire part. And what we will do here, we will make some rectangular shapes here in 3 different rectangle. So let's just make it 2 in the diagonal way. If you haven't seen my lines video, which I have introduced with you, a line drawing, and we have done a snail drawing with using different lines like diagonal, straight, spiral, etc. You can see it in my description box, and you can find the link there. And here we are going to use triangles, and this will be perpendicular 90-degree triangles we are making here. Both you can make dots for the center, so that you will, from where we have taken a square, where we have started a square, you can simply make a dot there, and where our rocket drawing line, bottom line is finishing, there you can make this triangles also finished. After all this, we will make a moon with the help of circle again. Here we are not making a sun, we are making a moon. When you make a proper circle and just give a curve inside, it will be a beautiful moon. And here I am using again this cap, circular cap, for making different planets. As rocket is in the space, so we will make different planets. You can make as many as you want, depends on your space. And here moon shape we are using the fourth one, and these are again circle. I'm just adding some more effects of realistic planets. I'm adding a earth one, and you can call it any one. And here I'm using the clouds, our fifth shape. And rest of the area we are going to make the stars. How you can make stars? With simple lines crisscross all around, you can make stars. And this is how we have done our rocket drawing, simply using shapes. And here you can also make star like this with two triangles, one simple, another opposite to it. This is also a way to make a star. See it again, simple triangle and then opposite triangle. Again, alright. So this is how our drawing is ready. Now we will outline again with a black sketch pen. As I always tell you, do not use any black marker, permanent marker, so that it will get traced on the back side and it will not look nice and it's very bold. So use a simple sketch pen or a alcoholic marker as I am using it. And now see it carefully how I'm outlining a star. I'm only outlining the outer shape of the star, not the inside lines. And we will outline each and everything, the other line stars also. And after completing the drawing, we will erase everything nicely and keep our sheet neat and clean. And here I did a mistake, my line gone out of a shape. So let's just hide this mistake through making a shadow of the window. Always try to clean your mistake. Do not give up your drawings. You can always hide it and make it more perfect. And now we are using a blue color, a normal medium or a primary blue color I'm here using. Always use the proper direction, fill the outlining from inside and use the color in one direction. Here I'm using the color very carefully for the stars. I'm making the outer circle for the star because we're going to make the stars yellow, and if you mix blue and yellow it will become green, so you need to leave the proper space outside all the stars. So I'm here using this blue as a outliner and filling it along with it, and let's just fill it fast and in one direction. As you all can see, I'm doing it. You can again see how I'm outlining the stars, and carefully you can just fill it. Here we're going to use clouds white color in it because blue we are using in the sky, so we need to give a contrast. So first I'm using a blue, primary blue, and let's just fill it. And after this I'm using a sky blue. We will try to mix it and bring it above little bit, and we will fill the rest of the part with the sky blue. You can slowly mix sky blue and dark blue or our primary medium blue along with the shades. So let's just do it. And after using all the blue color filling the sky, we're using lemon yellow for filling our stars. In the same circles we left for the stars color. Let's just fill all the stars. And moon also I'm putting yellow only. And this is a lemon yellow, not a deep yellow. Be careful about it because it's more shinier than the deep one. And here after doing all the stars, yellow color, let's just come to the earth. Blue color will be 70% of our water, so we will put blue color in the center of the earth and the rest will be our green color. After the earth, let's do the clouds. I'm outlining with a dark blue color and leaving them white inside. If you want to do white color you can go for it, but it will be no use of using crayon as a white color because they do not get blend very easily. And so I'm just leaving it white. You can do the same way, and in the third cloud also we will do the same. After doing all this, I'm using again a neon yellow color for the fire last background part of the rocket, and after above it we are creating a fire effect with the orange color. And orange a little bit I'm using in the stars also in the center, leaving yellow also and doing orange color in the center of it. And the same red we will put in the top of the rocket in the triangle shape. Again, outlining part we will do first and then we will just fill it. And how we consider beautiful coloring, that no white sheet should be visible when you colored it and your color shouldn't be going out of your drawings. And here also in this two more triangles, we're doing the same red color in the same way, properly filling it. And after this, we will use gray color and we will fill our rocket with the gray color. Do it carefully when you coming near to the other shapes like circle and square. Make sure your gray color will not go inside them, and you can outline them outer side and then slowly just fill the rest of the part. And fill small pauses. If you see, there is white sheet visible. And now I'm using the orange, light orange color in this another planet. You can do your favorite colors as per your favorite planets, and other golden yellow. And here I'm using a purple color for the shading, and I'm not filling it. Look how I'm shading it in one direction, so that you will create a 3D effect, a hollow effect. One side will be darker and the center will be lighter. You have to be careful about the pressure you give on your color. And it's I'm doing lighter and then darker from another cross side. And our rocket drawing is ready. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Bye.